Here's a 2016 Audi Allroad. Alluring and adventurous, it's ready to cater to your daring nature. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: external memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, leather bucket seats, four-wheel drive, and turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Car and Driver explains, the cabin is well turned out as you'd expect, a veritable festival of high-buck materials screwed together with the precision of, well, an Audi. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. Take it for a test drive today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We are conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.